Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can use Bixby Command for your accessibility functions on the Samsung Galaxy S20 series. Now first press on the Bixby button on the side here, and then I want to swipe up to go into the Bixby homepage. Then we're going to tap on the menu key and tap on My Capsules, and here if we go down and tap on Accessibility and then tap on the View All. So here are some of the example of what you can do with Bixby Command for your accessibility functions. So you can increase the Magnifier Windows zoom percentage, show hearing enhancement settings, show visibility enhancement settings, turn on assistant menu, and show accessibility settings. So let's test out some of the functions. Hey Bixby, increase the Magnifier Windows zoom percentage.
The magnifier window is currently off. Would you like to turn it on and change the setting?
Yes.
Okay, it's done.
So there is the magnifier windows. And there it is. So I can just turn it off. Hi Bixby, show hearing enhancement settings. And there it is. So you can see it's opening up the hearing enhancement. Hey Bixby, turn on assistant menu.
Alright, it's on.
Hey Bixby, turn off assistant menu.
I turned assistant menu off.
Now there's other things that you can also do. This is just an example only, so you can do a lot more than that. So if you go into accessibility, and here you can see all this function can be used with Bixby Voice Command. So here, say if I go into visibility enhancement, I can ask Bixby to turn on color vision or turn it off. I can ask Bixby to turn on color lens, for example. So let's give it a few more tests. Hey Bixby, turn on color inversion. Hey Bixby,
I turned color inversion on.
Hey Bixby, turn off color inversion.
Alright, it's off.
Hey Bixby, turn on color lens.
Which color looks the best to you?
Blue.
Blue applied.
Hey Bixby, turn off color lens.
Okay, color lens is...
So those are the things that you can do to use Bixby with your visibility functions. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.